You are. Leah, look at me. I'm filming you. And guess what? I'm going to put it on.
YouTube.
Yeah.
No.
What are you cooking, Leah?
I don't know what I'm cooking.
What are you cooking, Leah?
Food.
What?
Chicken con carne.
How'd you make it, Leah?
I don't know.
Huh?
2.5 cups of rice in there.
What you doing now?
Using the spatula.
To do what?
To get all the pink mincemeat to go golden brown or brownish.
And then what are you going to do when you've done that?
Add the sauce and the kidney beans in.
How you can make that? You don't know?
No.
Smile! Do you like cooking?
Yeah. I want to be on that TV show.
Which one?
And you only have 20 minutes to cook.
20 minutes?
Yeah. Or an hour to cook, yeah.
Can't cook, won't cook or something? Is that the one? Ready, steady, cook.
Yeah. Sis enough. Ow.